Hey folks, struggling to access your Chime account? This week we're diving into the topic of how to fix your Chime app when you can't log in. Frustrated with technical hiccups preventing you from managing your finances? Don't worry, solutions are on the way. We'll guide you through troubleshooting steps to regain access to your Chime app swiftly and securely. Let's ensure your financial management is back on track. Step 1. Verify your credentials. The first step in solving login issues is to double-check your login credentials. Ensure you're using the correct email address and password associated with your Chime account. Double-check for any typos or mistakes, such as accidentally having the caps lock on. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link on the login page to reset it. Follow the instructions in the email you receive to create a new password. Just make sure it's strong and secure to protect your account. Step 2. Ensure app and device compatibility. Next, ensure that both your device and the Chime app are updated to the latest versions. Go to your device's app store and check for any available updates for the Chime app. Additionally, ensure your device's operating system is up to date, as outdated software can sometimes interfere with app performance. After updating, restart your device for good measure. This often resolves any compatibility issues that might be affecting your login ability. Step 3. Clear cache and app data. Sometimes stored cache data can cause conflicts within an app. To clear this, go into the settings of your device, find the Apps or Applications section, and locate the Chime app. From here, you can clear the app's cache data. Be aware that clearing data might log you out, so ensure you have your login credentials handy. Once cleared, try opening the Chime app again to see if the issue is resolved. Step 4. Check your network connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for accessing the Chime app. Ensure your device is connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network or mobile data. If you're experiencing connectivity issues, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or restart your modem and router. After doing this, reopen the Chime app and attempt to log in again. If the network is still causing trouble, contacting your internet service provider might help resolve the connectivity. Step 5. Contact Chime support. When troubleshooting on your own doesn't solve the problem, Chime's customer support team is there to assist you. In the app or on their website, find the Help and Support section where you can report your login issues. Describe your problem in detail, including any steps you've taken already. Chime's support team can provide further guidance and may identify any account-specific issues that need addressing. There you have it. Step-by-step guidance on how to fix your Chime app when you can't log in. By verifying your credentials, ensuring compatibility, clearing cache, checking network connections, and reaching out to customer support, you can swiftly address these issues. Remember, financial management shouldn't be stalled by technical difficulty. We hope these troubleshooting steps help you regain access to your account and streamline your experience with Chime. Keep your account safe, updated, and easily accessible at all times. Happy banking.